Hey everyone, I finally got my package from Curly T. I am just over the moon happy. Everything Curly T sells is top notch, guys, so you need to go to her sales. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spools. There's going to be some snippet rolls hitting Etsy. I'm going to use up all of my laces and stuff that I've been hoarding. And I am going to make snippet rolls for just about every genre I can think of that I have lace to do. Then, I was going to say, I don't remember buying Christmas cards. I got, ooh, this is gorgeous. This is going to make a gorgeous journal cover. Look at this. Isn't this just stunning? Huge piece. And I have tons of stuff to do oriental journals with. So I want to get started and do those too. And this will be a cover. And then I got You Are On My Mind. I guess these are packages of little cards. Yeah, these were little cards she had that were just so cute. And then I got this little mini stencil from my mixed media. 50 cents, guys. 50 cents. I got this for a Christmas journal. Put that in the Christmas journal box. And then these are Athena scrapbooking and paper art. But it's different little patterns. So I'm going to use these in journals. Next I got this gorgeous stamp set. Absolutely gorgeous stamp set. $3. This is Stampin' Up. Guys, really, you need to check out Curly T when she's selling. She has some awesome stuff. And she's always, she has fair prices. Then I bought these little Hey Santa 4 frames to use in Christmas journals. Because really I had no Christmas stuff at all here. And I got Sunshine and Shadows. And this is just a little book with different This is really beautiful pictures in it. And I think this will look beautiful in the center of a journal. I've never done a prayer journal, but I'm considering doing one. Next in here, it's a huge box. Oh, I got this from Mixed Media. It's just a little thing you put down to make patterns in your jelly plate with. And then Bo Bunny Noteworthy and Christmas. I bought some more of her tickets because I love the colors on her tickets. I have never seen anybody else with these colors that she came up with. I don't know where she got them, but they're totally awesome. Anyway, I don't want to, I'm going to have to cut that, but she has this bright blue, kind of a melon color here. It looks orange on screen, but look at this green. That green is gorgeous. Some pink. The purple that are going to Happy Mail. Plain and simple. I'm not even gonna lie about it. They're probably going to Happy Mail. I love the brightness of this yellow. That would be beautiful in a sunflower journal. And then these white ones. Some more fabric to make journal covers with. I just thought it was stunning. And it does not disappoint. It was only $1. Look at that. 2 journal covers at least. Depending on the size of the journal, but at least. Next I got some Christmas papers. Oh, great. I don't have to buy any now. I have been looking all over the place. And then I got some Heidi Swap. And I bought this one for, yeah, Shabby Chic. But I love this one. I'm sorry if you hear my dog in the background choking, but she has some type of bronchial problem going on, and the vet has had her on medication forever, and it's not correcting it, so might need to find another one. This one I absolutely love. Discovering America's Past. Here's the personal side of American history. I'm a historyaholic. For anybody that doesn't know it, I love anything that has to do with history. The older the better. So I got this so I could share it with the boys, read them some little stories out of it, you know, when they're a little older. Well, Nicholas is probably old enough now because he is so intelligent, but love it, absolutely love it. This looks like a brand new book. The Man Who Loves Santa Claus. Now I might have to copy that and put in a Christmas journal. Oh, Christmas tree. Says the evergreen tree was not always a beloved symbol of Christmas in America. For years, it appeared at holiday time was a source of heated debate. Huh, who knew? I thought everybody always had a Christmas tree, but I guess not. I know a little house on the prairie that did. And this, here's that. This is olive and cocoa. And I love the box, but look what's in the box. Let me get it in front of the camera so you can see it. And I'll probably repack and put a lot of different things in here as well. But I thought it would look good in my craft room for storage with the Christmas ribbon, fall ribbon, more fall ribbons. This would be great in a boho. Beautiful in boho. Some more fall. Oh, look at the little flower pot with ribbons sticking in it. That's too cute. Tons of ribbons. I love this. And no, it's not burlap for those of you that are wondering. That'd be great in mixed media. Yeah, that's not staying with this. That's going to mixed media. Oh, I love this. I mean, it is just packed as full as you can get it with tons and tons of ribbons and trims and laces and oh god, look at this burgundy. Whoa, this is gorgeous. But I love the box. The box is going to be great for storage in my craft room. So this is my haul from Curly T. Thank you, Curly. I love every piece of it. I love your fair prices and cheap prices. But check her out, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.